In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view your workspace connections in Notion. To get started, open your Notion dashboard in the Chrome browser and make sure you're inside the workspace you want to manage. It helps to begin from the main application view so you can clearly see the full Notion layout, including the left-hand sidebar where your workspace controls are located. If your sidebar is collapsed, expand it first so everything is easy to access. Once you're in the correct workspace, move your attention to the upper area of the left-hand sidebar. This is where you'll find important workspace options and account-related settings. Click on Settings and Members. This section is the control center for many of your workspace preferences, permissions, and connected services. So it's the right place to go whenever you need to review how your workspace is configured. After the Settings panel opens, look for the My Connections area. This is where Notion keeps track of connections linked to your account or workspace experience. These connections can include integrations or external tools that interact with Notion, so this area is useful when you want to review what's already connected or simply confirm that a connection is active. Click My Connections and then select See All Connections. This will open the full list of available or existing connections associated with your Notion setup. Take a moment here to look through the page carefully, especially if you manage multiple tools or services. Seeing the full list can help you better understand what is linked to your workspace and where information may be flowing between Notion and other platforms. As a quick tip, if you don't immediately see the exact option you're expecting, give the settings panel a second to load fully and make sure you're signed into the correct workspace. In accounts with multiple workspaces, it's easy to be in the wrong one without noticing at first. And that's it. By opening your Notion dashboard in Chrome, selecting Settings and Members from the upper part of the left sidebar, and then going to My Connections and See All Connections, you can quickly access the connection details for your workspace. This is a simple but useful process whenever you want to review integrations and keep your Notion environment organized.